Guys, today I'm going to be making some fish pastels for you. I already have chicken and veggie pastels on the channel, so I'll link those as end cards for you guys. So to make this, I'm using canned tuna. First, we're going to start with a pot, and I'm going to go in with some oil. Next goes in some chopped onions, some chopped pimento peppers, minced garlic, scallions, and we're going to cook this until it's tender. Once tender, we're going to go in with our flaked tuna, and I'm going in to season with some all-purpose seasoning, some goya adobo. Next, we're going to cook this for about a minute, and then after that we'll go in with a little bit of tomato paste and cook that tomato paste, mix it up together with that fish. Once it's mixed in properly, go in with your raisins, your capers, and your chopped olives. Next, go in with worcestershire sauce, mix that in, allow this to cook for an additional minute. Once it has cooked, you want to set it aside and allow this filling to cool down. Next, let's work on the dough for our pastels. So in my bowl, I have my corn flour. I'm going in with salt and unsalted butter, and one package of sazon goya with achiote or with occou. That occou is going to give this a beautiful color. Mix and go in with lukewarm water to bring this together. Once it comes together into a soft dough, just like this, you want to make sure you have a nice soft spreadable dough so you'll get a soft pastel. I'm using my ice cream scoop, and I'm going to make these into small dough balls. Roll them in the palm of your hand to make sure that they're nice and smooth and even. Place them on your surface, cover with a damp paper towel and a tea towel. This is going to keep that moisture in the dough. Next, we have to heat the banana leaves. We need to heat them so that they're nice and pliable so we can wrap our pastels in it. So to the banana leaves, add a little bit of oil, and then taking one of your dough balls, you're going to open the dough ball out as thin as possible, but not too thin as to burst it. If you have a pastel press, you can use that. Add your filling in the center of the dough, and then using the leaf, you're going to bring one side over to close, press down, and do the same for the other side. The oil is going to help that dough release from the leaf. Now do the sides. And then all you have to do is wrap that in the leaf. And then I like wrapping it in foil. Some of you like to use kitchen twine to wrap it, but I prefer foil because it keeps it nice and smooth and uniform. Now I prefer to boil my pastels. Steaming is another option. So these go into your boiling water, and they would take about 10 to 15 minutes depending on how thick you make the pastels. So when it's finished, you're going to remove it from that water, place it into a colander, and allow that to drain. Once it's finished draining, it's ready to be served. You just want to open it out from that banana leaf, and you see that beautiful color that sazon goya gave it. I absolutely love the color. It's so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you for watching.